Now you can see a window. Today I'm doing a request to do a video of what I got today, which would be 2 knives, which would be this one and also this one, which this one has a spring latch like this. This one has no spring latch. Yeah, and also this one is a trainer. Alright. While I'm at it, I might as well do a few tricks and a tutorial. These are basically basic tricks that you can do whenever you want. Well, with this type of knife. First one is the vertical. If I can do it right.
You better get your shit together.
Okay.
Where's your clothes? Victor.
What?
Where's your clothes? What are you gonna wear tonight?
Alright. See if I can do this right now. Which basically go back this way, and then closing it out. Closing it is the same way as opening it. Next trick is, if I can do it right, is I can't remember this one. I'm probably gonna have to Google it. Well, after I figure out which trick it is, basically how to do this one is put it back this way, flip it back that way, then come back. Alright. This trick might not be easy, or if you flip a balisong. Alright. Next trick is the Y2K rollover. Basically, at the start of the trick, you always grab, at some tricks you always grab the safe handle, which is usually the handle opposite of the latch. This one, this one you actually have to grab the bite handle. If I can do it good enough. Basically, you have to do this. Then it goes around your thumb, as you can see. And you do it. Then this. So basically, it looks like this. If I can do it right, or fast enough. Let's see if I can do it with a different knife. So basically something like that. If this one will cooperate. I don't know if it's going to cooperate, actually. Next one is the horizontal rollover, or not rollover, basic horizontal. That's not actually part of the trick. Basically, you do this, this, this. And that's it.